guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some lip swatches and try-ons of NYX Lingerie XXL. I know I did a video a while ago on these, but I feel like you guys enjoyed it so much I wanted to do another one, this time Nude Edition with 4 new shades to try on. Also, if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree Marie, or I like to do beauty reviews as well as makeup tutorials and BoxyCharm unboxings. So if you want to go ahead and join my fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are interested in learning more about these lippies, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I decided to do another NYX Lingerie XXL video just because I felt like that was one of the best videos that I've done so far. You guys seem to really enjoy it, considering that is one of the videos with my most views. So I appreciate you guys, and that's why I decided to do another lip swatch slash try-ons for you guys. Nude edition, because I feel like you can't go wrong with nudes. So I selected 4 different shades, and I'm going to start with the lightest shade that I selected. I can tell you guys a little bit about the product as well. They're 16-hour wear, as well as they are vegan. They don't flake. They're very comfortable on the lips. They feel very like hydrating. They don't dry my lips out at all. They're also $9.50. But when I got them, I was at Ulta and they were on sale for $7.50. So if you guys want to save some money, I would definitely try and go to Ulta right now because you can save some money. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start with the first shade that I got, and that is Turn On. So let me just, this is the lightest nude I got. This is what it looks like. I have to say, out of all of them, this is definitely more of a true nude. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade off and get on to the next one. The next shade, which is called Stripped Down. I feel like this one has more of a little bit of a red undertone. These also smell very nice. They smell like cupcakes or cookies, just in case you're into the scent. The next one in the collection is a Low Cut. These names are so funny. Lingerie, definitely the names fit the theme. And this is a Low Cut. This one I think is one of my faves. That last shade was kind of hard to get off, but that's when you know it's a good lippy, if it stays on all night. Okay, so if I have a little, sorry, it's just like it's hard to get off. And the last shade in this little tutorial is Straps Off, which is naughty. These names are so funny. Okay, and this one is more of a vampy look, which your girl totally loves. I love a good vampy lip. I have to say my faves are gonna have to be the second and the third one. You guys let me know which one was your fave down in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.